Long live!
Long live the spirit of teachers, long live!
Long live!
Walimu power!
Power!
Teachers viva!
Acha mimi nienda
na tukite haha muthenya wa umuthi twina matukuya maingi muno ni tondu muthenya wa umuthi twacoka kunyita marwa orders cia kuga ati githurano gitu ati nikirugamie. Ino ni njira ya wara ya kurehe confusion na kugiria andu arutani aitu magoka guthurana muthenya wa Saturday. Ni twaregana na uhoro ucio na twauga githurano gitu no nginya gikwo Saturday. KUPPET power!
We as JSS teachers, we have learned that there is a scheme to remove us from the election register. Most of our members are still under agency fee, and they have served for more than 1 year in the KUPPET, in the TSC, and that is not. And again, we are also demanding that we be given the register so that we can confirm that JSS teachers are on the register and eligible voters.
So we want to tell Nyamweya, can he tell us the reasons as to why he took this thing to court? Sure. We are tired. We want to finish this election. Sure. We have students in our schools. We need to attend to our students. We have other issues that we need to attend to.
If the purported conservatory orders are touching on national issues, why is Murang'a being discriminated? Walimu power! Power! We are here to demand this morning, and we are here as aspirants from all factors, that 17th of this month, like each and every county which has held the election, Murang'a will hold the election on the 17th as scheduled. Walimu power!